Alrighty, we're back. Shout out to the whale crew. We did it again. Called it again off the 30-minute. Oops. The 30-minute post. This was too easy, and it's just getting started. This was an hour and 20 minutes ago. On the 30-minute, beautiful curved VWAP wave coming to the upside. That's big. On these beautiful waves, many a time it's nice, or at least some type of upward movement, even if it's just a little curvature here on the momentum. It was preemptive, thick in the green, overall increasing momentum, overall going up, man. Now look at it. Beautiful. Just started breaching in. Beautiful green dot right here. And we just keep going. Might be time to start drinking. Just got that timing. All those people that said to exit, man. Oh my gosh. It's just getting started. It's gonna go up more. This is gonna go up more. I'm really confident. I think it's gonna go higher. Don't make a decision off me, but I'm just showing you what I'm doing. VWAP crosses over, boom, bang, 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 bang. VWAP crosses over, boom, bang, 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 bang. VWAP crosses over. It's not even crossed yet. There could be a major fucking move to the upside, or just a decent one. Same thing with the 30-minute. Guess time will tell. Sure does. Beautiful. Boy, would you look at this. Just so nice right there. This is awesome. Just beautiful VWAP coming up right here and thick in the green. This is awesome. Just awesome. Just awesome. Oh wow. It came down here before I could even get it. Okay, I have to adjust my wrist limit. Hang on. Oh, I always forget how to do this. Oh, here it is. We're just short of 7. Oh well. Oh, fuck, I knew I should have took that. Speaking of Top Gun, and did you see Tom Cruise's rant? Told you. Folks, I told you. I'm telling you. We got a lot of room. We might be able to break another record. But, I don't know, 600K is a tough number to hit. That's a tough number to hit. Wow. You guys remember when I was firing off $1,000 to people, $500? You get 1,000, you get 500, you get. Remember that? Wasn't so long ago. That's when I made 600K. Well, bro, yeah, they have to have, they got to have a buffer in case a huge ass wick that goes down. Or else they'll end up eating it. That's the gain. Team Underground has posted a video on that Matt Cole pets, or they just repeating stuff here. What, I don't know who that is and who that is. And what do you mean they're just repeating stuff from here? Like what? They're copying me.
Close eyes, fantasize, lock it up with little lies. Breathe the smoke and ashes. Nobody knows just how beautiful. Look at me, hold me near. The crowd just disappears. Clouds break and it's clear. It's only you and me here. Hold me near. The crowd just disappears. Clouds break and it's clear. It's only you and me here. You caught me, I'm a criminal. You caught me on a tap. Don't ever turn your back on me. We're never turning back. So let's be cool here. Smooth, dear. Hold me near. Crowd just disappears. Clouds break and it's clear. It's only you and me here. You hold
started this man shit? Me, that's who. I was doing this shit before it was even a thing. Candles and wicks, online hidden licks. Candles and wicks, I can't get enough of this shit. Candles and wicks, going long for a touchdown. See you when I touch down, we gon' get it in. Candles and wicks, online hidden licks. Candles and wicks, I can't get enough of this shit. Candles and wicks, going long for a touchdown. See you when I touch down, we gon' get.
Alrighty, sorry about that. Gotta take care of a little phone call there. What time is it? Oh my gosh, time is flying. Time is a flying. Like we got a little nice little pump. I actually wanted to, I was looking to add a little bit for a second there, but shaved off 2 mil. I wanted to pull this trigger on this 1 minute, was it the 1 minute? This 30 second. I wanted to pull a little trigger right here, but I didn't. Right now in this super pumpage, these seconds, time frames, these seconds can be a lot of fun. Yeah, sure. This was the whale crew signal for this trade an hour and 40 minutes ago. Posted this picture off the 30-minute. We have our VWAP at a very nice curvatured VWAP wave coming to the upside. Momentum very nicely coming to the upside. The momentum wave right here curving. I was expecting a green dot right here. Fast forward to now, an hour and 40 minutes later. Got the green dot, took the preemptive strike, nailed it. VWAP just broke into the upside. Take a look at the hourly. The hourly. You look at this VWAP wave coming in, boom, crossed over, price went up. Am I on mute? Okay, good. From 19.2 to 19.5, boom, crossed over from God knows when to all the way up here, and this one was from 19.4 to 28, and now we got this one just getting started at 21,000, and we'll see where it's going to take us. That was the signal. That's why I entered this trade. We have closed about 200 grand, have another 200 in unrealized. So, yeah, I mean, you know, what can you do? I need to make a cocktail. No, first off, we don't have any open Discord. It's closed to new members for probably another month or two. Just don't have the energy to handle new people. Of course, Market Cipher's still open. Market Cipher and the Whale Crew are two different things. My entry's 2822. All right. Average entry's 2822. Woo! I like this right here. That's a nice little entry. Average. We'll see if it bounces off here. Looks like it 217. Looks like it did. Let's see if it continues. 2. Boy, the floppers are groping. The floppers are groping, baby. Do I want to make a coffee or do I want to make a little bourbon cocktail? I hear you, Sid. I hear you, buddy. Yeah, honestly, my head needed a rest from this damn headset. It was hurting the top of my head, but right now it got a little rest in it. Doesn't hurt yet. Oh, my little boy. Yes, my little boy. Hey, my little boy. He loves to be scratched. We destroy everything. You like destroying everything? Get out of here. Yeah, I mean, honestly, I don't, if I'm away and I'm in a trade, sure, I will, of course, use a stop loss. But if my ass is sitting right here and I'm leveraged out of my ass, no. Make a drink real quick. Even when I go make a drink, I got my phone with the exchange with me. So even if I'm leaving right now, I'm still looking and able to make a move. I'll be right back. Oh, whoops, hang on, let me put this away.
Gonna see the stars shine, gonna feel the light, gonna fall free into the edge of night. Tired till you feel, burn you endless, be reborn again and again in your kiss, yeah, in your kiss, yeah. Tick-tock, little toy, your mind a destroy secret, I'll keep it hidden. You'll never know, you'll never know just what I've been.
Alrighty.
Just disappears.
Aren't you guys tired of the same songs? Godfather, minimal techno. Just don't. All right. When you ask me for a giveaway, it means you're disqualified when I do one, buddy. I'm not joking. Shit's annoying. I give away shit and you people keep begging. But it's alright. That's your warning, so it's alright, buddy. It's alright, buddy. Don't worry about it. Hey, but everybody else next time is fucking everyone else got their warning. So now everyone else gets the hammer. Everyone else gets the hammer. Oh, jeez, we're dumping. Oh, no. Yes, Ludovic. All I use is Market Cipher. Not feeling the station. Just not feeling it. Wow, this is even worse. This ain't gonna work. I'm on a... Here we go. We have to go back to it. You know, I tried new channels and they just don't work. So we're gonna go back to one that we normally use. Oh my lordy, folks, I'm telling you. If you were with our stream before, we talked about the Mount Everest theory, which most people that are new here will have no idea what I'm talking about. But for those of you who've been here, know what the Mount Everest theory is. And boy, this puppy coming down right into this support right here, just like it did when we hit 20K last time. Before we hit 20K last time. Eventually, I believe so, yes. How far above this one? Where's Hong De Le Lang? Yeah. I haven't seen him in a little while. Ooh, look at this 1 hour. Is so beautiful to look at. I love looking at this. Man. This has to be one of the most tightest pairs of tight momentum snake eye waves we've ever seen. Yeah, I mean, shit, we were divergent, but these swab the poop that sailors just came in out of nowhere. It hasn't been 2 months yet. I still think if we hit 23, 24K, we can have some real nasty action. And, you know, I'm probably wrong about having 2 months of bloody. I might be wrong, but I'm cool with being wrong on just fucking 1 day of looking at a chart. And this shit's been changing every day, back and forth. But at the end of the day, what matters is the money, okay? I'm getting the money, and so is my trade group. That's at the end of the day. Who gives a shit? I don't care. Who gives it? What I mean to say is I don't give a shit about what I think could happen with the price, a quote-unquote target. At the end of the day, I'm man enough to reverse my thoughts and go off the charts. I don't do car meetings in Hollywood, bro. So you did not. Honestly, when Michael Swab Poop Deck Sailor stopped buying, we were going down. So when that guy or some Chinese boardroom decides to stop, we're probably going to go down again. Yo, bro, you're not gonna find out because you're a spamming prick and you can Shazam it yourself. Let me put the slow chats. No, that's fake news. There's always that, oh, they're gonna sell. That's always just stupid media, dumb stuff.
Memories of different times are hidden in the city's buildings, streets and squares. They can be brought to life again by stories, by visiting, and by
Let's take a look, see here. Ah, I missed that wave. I think I can catch this one. Added another 975k, another mill. We'll just add another mill in. The 5 minute is just doing the same thing. Look, as we were looking on the 30 minute and the hour, crossed over, bang, crossing over on the 5, bang. Let me do a little bit more. Alright, we'll leave it alone now. Didn't affect our entry that much. Now we'll just chill. Ooh, yes. Come on. Hopefully this is, we want a little baby turtle. We have a papa, a mama, a baby, and we want a little baby turtle. And on the reverse side, we start with babies, mama, papa, and we want a grandpapa turtle on the top. Smaller turtles on the bottom, bigger turtles on the top. We don't want to get too tunnel visioned on the 1 second time frame there. It's my indicator. Market cipher. My mentor and I took everything we knew. I can't do that song. Market cipher is Linda, what you need to do, I'm gonna tell you. I'm gonna show you. If you just got Market Cipher, on the website, go to tutorials. And I want you to only watch 3 videos. Market Cipher Basic Strategy Volume 1, 2, and 3. Now, I am a little long-winded in these videos. But stick with it and watch them twice, thrice. That is all you need. Are we going up? Where did I enter on this last side? 2, 1, 3, 6, 9, and 5, 6. Yeah, baby! Yeah, baby! Now, down the road, whenever you just want something, some literature, when you're on the John, feel free to take a look at our interactive user guide book.
Stochastics used in Market Cipher B is a smooth oscillator indicator that ranges between 0
It's a
and 100.
toss salad tossing loss and into tosser a lot of indicator. If you're new, I would stay away from this just because I don't want you to confuse yourself. Just stick with these 3 videos. That's all you need. That's it. I am not high. I'm just in a good mood. Why did someone say something stupid? Am I high? Well, how would you feel if you were up damn near $500,000 in one day? And I don't even really care. This doesn't even get. I'm just having a good time. You think I get excited about this? You think I haven't done this before? Well, kid. Listen, kid. I've been here for 3 years. This ain't nothing new to our community. This ain't nothing new to us. And you know why I say us? Because it ain't just me, boy. It's my crew, my group, my people. Just look at the profit logs yourself. Look at them. Look at them all. Look at them. Look, we got from motherfuckers from India to Nova Scotia, South America, South Africa, all different shapes, colors, sizes, classes, glasses, asses. Look at them. Just look at them. Oh, but wait, there's more. What perfect timing. I can't stop looking at it. Oh, look, we're going up. Oh, what do you know? What do you know? Thanks, Joe. I haven't been in that you know why? Because Market Cipher is. I'm so proud of my Market Cipher community. They're self-sustaining. There is paid customer support and help in there. I haven't really been there much the past couple weeks. Sure, I can look at ETH for you. You're welcome, Jarek. Thank you for asking. Like a normal adult. I appreciate that, Jared. Jarek. Jerk. Now, ETH is a little more choppy, a little more dangerous, a little harder to read for the untrained eye, but it's looking terrific. Everything's going up. But ETH doesn't go, ETH and Bitcoin act separately right now. So just because Bitcoin, I mean, you know, they'll pump sometimes at the same time. Like even today, sometimes it would pump at the same time, sometimes not. Damn, 635, way to go, ETH. Wow, it pumped a lot just in the past few moments. Good for ETH. Oh my lordy, what a tight, beautiful, beautiful little wave right there. Alright, Ripple having a little something going on there. Good for sure, Ripple. But anyways, who cares? Bitcoin's where it's at. Boy, I love looking at this hourly. Oh, it's so nice. Man, it's so good. Loving it. Oh, thank you, Capital D. That's pretty cool. Never seen that before. A little tennis pair. How creative and cute. That's pretty cool. Wow, I need to make another cocktail here soon. I have a lot of ice in here. This song's gonna get to anything. Let's go back. I can't do that same guy. Cocktail of choice. Chat, you guys know. Tell them. I'll be right back while I go fill up some more. Ugh. Wow, most of you are totally right. It's Maker's Mark and iced tea unsweetened is my preferred, but with no iced tea, it's just Maker's own alkaline water and ice. People have been saying it's gonna dump for the all day today. Here's the dump. Here's the dump. I mean, eventually someone's gonna be right, but come on, people. If it's your first time here on this channel or on this, if this is your first time on this channel, can you say I in chat? Don't lie. If you've been here before, don't say I. But if it's your first time here, say I. Wow. By the way, I am getting hardcore suppressed by YouTube. When I it's so sad. When I go to Social Blade or third-party apps, they say I get about 300 to 500 new subscribers a day. And I move up about 100, if I'm lucky, 100 subs a day. It sucks. No one gets notifications when they click the bell and subscribe. I am fucking, I'm sorry for cursing, but it's not fair to everyone out there that wants to be successful, and they're so used to having people show them and tell them the wrong things, especially when it comes to trading in this industry. And it just sucks. It's a tough world out there. There's a lot of good people that deserve a better lifestyle. I'm glad you did, Miguel. But my channel should be way bigger than it is. I should have much more than 41,000 subscribers, especially for what we do. We trade the biggest positions not only in crypto but in trading. Last week or 3 weeks ago, we closed $600,000 in profit live. No one else has ever done that before. We filled out the application to Guinness Book of World Records. Also last week, we lost $300,000 live. The biggest loss ever done on live stream. I should have much more than 41,000 subscribers. Nah, I'm raw. I don't try. I don't need to try on it's not marketing. It's my marketing is fine. I am real. I don't need to try to. I don't want to sell myself. I just want to be myself. But it's not fair when we're getting suppressed. That's my problem. I don't care about growth or sales. I don't need that shit. I just offer it at a fair price because it's a good thing and I want to help people. But it's not right. I should have 100K, 200K at least. And yet they have these people that, I don't want to make fun of anyone specifically, but I'm just saying that all these systems, just taking crypto in general, all they do is talk fast and give you nothing. A bunch of bullshit. They're not in any trades. They show you no trades. How can you sit there and watch someone stream just looking at a chart when they're not showing you a trade? I can't even stream if I'm not in a trade. What am I do? What am I gonna do? Just sit here and talk about this chart I'm staring at? Stupid. I don't get how people will watch someone that sit here, talks about a chart, and is not in a trade, not showing a trade. Well, at 30 EMA, double scrotum, and I like being in a trade because I can just show the trade and walk away and grab some fucking coffee. I don't have to talk because my money does the talking. Money talks. Money talks. So if I don't feel like talking, I can sit here and chill for 20 minutes. I don't got to say shit. These other motherfuckers, excuse my French, I'm just having a good time and I'm on one. All they have to talk. They can't sit there and look at a chart and say nothing. Because they got nothing to show. Nothing. And they're desperate. I've spoken with some of them behind closed doors, talking about maybe I'd come on their channel, and they have no way to make money themselves. Very popular ones that everyone knows, and they slobber out the mouth because they know I got money and they can't make it. They go, oh, can you come on my channel for 20 grand, 15 grand? Fuck off. Make your own money, you sorry piece of shit. Telling people you think you know what Bitcoin's gonna do when you're not trading shit. The bullish and bear scenario. Fuck you. All of them. All of them. No, I don't hate anybody. My life is too good to hate. I hate on nobody. I'm just saying that I don't know how I could never stream just with the chart up and not being in a trade, because you're full of shit. People, oh, how can you make $100 a day trading? Can you don't careful with leverage. Be careful. And then people have the nerve in the comments to say I needed to hear that. Fake shitter YouTuber. I really needed to hear that I should be careful. Yeah, I'm just feeling good. I'm having a good time. This whiskey's kicking in. We're having a great time. I'm just talking the truth, baby. The truth shall set you free. And there's a lot of new people here. That's why I'm saying it. Everyone, you all have been here for 3 years or a year, 2 years. You guys already know this. You already know what we're about and why you're here. But there's a lot of new people here, and it's bullshit because we're getting Shadow Pinky in the booty. We're getting a Pinky in the booty, which it's not about me that it upsets me. It's about the single mothers. I have single mothers that make 5 figures that were fucking grocery baggers. And so I know there's another grocery bagger that is missing out on bettering her life because of Kirpal Gurdish, CEO of fucking Google and YouTube. Kirpal Gurdish. And that lady, the CEO of YouTube, I gotta start being careful about what I'm saying here, but y'all get what I'm saying. There are people, there are women and men that are disciplined, smart, pure, good, and can do it with Market Cipher. And what, not even to say Market Cipher, they just can do it if they're just pointed in the right direction. Just pointed in the right direction like a good bitch to a pimp. You just got a good bitch. You just got to point her just in the right direction, and she gonna walk. Okay, now I haven't looked at the price. So did we lose everything? All right, good. Now, by the way, all donations on the YouTube, if anyone's, they go to Future Market Cipher Scholarship. I am sponsoring a family for Christmas. So all the money that you guys are saying is going to, I have it down to 2 families, by the way. I don't know if I'm going to stream it, to be honest with you. I don't, because I feel like it's kind of a, just know that all the donation money in the YouTube ain't going to my pocket. It's going to someone who it'll bring them happiness and joy. Let's go, baby! 21,500. What I tell you, again, 4th time on the stream, I'm telling you, we fucking nail it every time. My neighbors hate me right now because I'm loud. I have my windows open. And listen to this. My next door neighbor, turns out one day, this was like 4 months after I was living here at this house. I go out front. I was what my older sister came out front. And this fucking guy across the street, I recognize him. And I was like, I'm just going to say his name was Fred. We're going to say his name was Fred. And Fred was an ex-manager of mine that fired my ass. But he didn't fire me. He was actually, there was like 8-10 motherfuckers in mid-management. And he wasn't, he was one of the ones that liked me, but he kept to himself. He's a little squirrely Jew. Great guy. I love him. But, he didn't necessarily stick up for me either. But motherfuckers fired me and lived across the street, and they see my Rari now. He ain't got no Rari. But I like him. We're friends. Kind of. He's scared of me a little bit. Like, for example, he doesn't own any guns. His wife, had a bad experience with guns or something in the past. And so when shit was hitting the fan with all these Antifa motherfuckers, I was like, if shit hits the fan, I got that heat. He's like, I know. Thanks, man. I'll be over there if something happens. So, yeah. Anyway. It would have been much better if he was one of the managers that actually wanted to fire me. Like, hey, I like my Rari, bitch. Wakes you up, and I'm a nighttime person, too. I'm the neighborhood watch. But when I flip that puppy on, woo! Oh my God! Look at the price. Woo-hoo. Folks, I tried to tell you. We saw the signs. I'm telling you, folks. You see me exiting and entering real time. And I'm showing you how and why. And there's, look at this beautiful green dot there. This ain't nothing yet. This ain't nothing yet. What's up here? What's up here? What's up here? What's up here? 21.8? What are we at now? 24? We got more to come, folks. There is more to come. The VWAP is coming up. All right, let's see here. Okay, let's see here. Let's not get ahead of ourselves here. 1 hour. I haven't even breached yet. 30 minutes. What about 30 minutes? Neutral. Don't be fucking stupid. Don't listen to me and start longing if you're not in any trades. Don't listen to me. Oh, we're losing everything. Oh, God, it's dumping. Oh, we're fucked. Don't worry. Oh, we're losing it all. I cannot deal with this song. This song is too intense. This channel has a... Okay. This is too gay. Oh, we're dumping. We're losing it all. Oh my God. Oh no. Ah, terrible music. What the heck? Okay. This ain't gonna work. I don't know what I want to listen to. Okay, so for all the new people, we know what we got. Okay, a lot of new people here. So we're gonna, we almost have our own album completed. This is my brother. No one's more in touch with this Bitcoin, is me talking right now, but my brother's Bitcoin's price action, and no one's more in touch with the Chinese boardroom than this channel here. Chinese Ching Chong.
Who am I? Someone that's afraid to buy low. You decide if I'm gonna flop and a grub. Suicide if I lose my stack and go broke. I be selling low, yeah, selling low, yeah. Who am I? Someone that's afraid to buy low. You decide if I'm gonna flop and a grub. Suicide if I lose my stack and go broke. I be selling low, yeah, selling low, yeah. I wagered everything. I sold my farm to DCA. 50X is so contagious. Worst decision of my life. It dropped and I sold and it went up. Then I bought in. Fuck bots and these trolls, cause I woke up liquidated.
When we said it was gonna dump, it dumped right after. When we said it was gonna dump again, it dumped again. When we said it was gonna spew, it spewed. When we said it was gonna hit the toilet, this was a 2-week prophecy, it hit the toilet. We said it was gonna get high after hitting the toilet, it got high. Chinese Ching Chong.
Who am I? Someone that's afraid to buy low. You decide if I'm gonna flop and a grub. Suicide if I lose my stack and go broke. I be selling low, yeah, selling low, yeah. Who am I? Someone that's afraid to buy low. You decide if I'm gonna flop and a grub. Suicide if I lose my stack and go broke. I be selling low, yeah, selling low, yeah.
People are gonna be killing their siblings. Your brothers, your sisters, your mothers, your fathers that you brought into crypto, your grandpa. People are gonna die. If we go in the 5800 area, this is real blood. That's real crypto blood. Mothers are running around with their crying babies. My crypto.
Like Indians, leveraging these millions, trading.
I've said it before, I'll say it again. If you follow this channel, no one's got their thumb on the Bitcoin market like I do. No one does. And sometimes I've made some pretty long projections. Made 2 weeks in advance when we were up here, right on point. The Chinese squeeze, on point. The leaf saying we were going to get high, we got high. The toilet, the poop, the diarrhea, the specific poop. The original, the double scrotum.
It'd be 3 in the morning and the strait's still open. Never fall asleep or you'll wake up flopping groping. Your spirit shall be broken as they snatching up your tokens. The only way you're coping's with the weed you've been smoking. We're scalping like Indians, leveraging these millions. Trading in the dark so we looking like aliens. You know that I'll be gambling till I'm damn Blazarian. And the balls get hairier as the trades get scarier. And we do the Miley Coco when these ETFs approve. We'll be skirting on them popos. And all these little minnows, 50x, and that's a no-no. Leverage like a fool, pretty soon you'll be a hobo. I got plenty of volume in my shorts. And when we hit that coke line, I got plenty of volume in my snorts. And if I ever go broke, I'll be flopping and groping in the Discord like popcorn. We are on the disciples of crypto face, trying to find our calling in this crypto space as we navigate daily through these crypto trades. Long live the ace of spades. We are all disciples of crypto face, trying to find our calling in this crypto space as we navigate daily through these crypto trades. Long live the ace of spades. We are all disciples of crypto face, trying to find our calling in this crypto space.
Do you feel the pain? We share. If you're new here, listen. I've been there. I've felt. We've all felt it. We felt it, and we got to running it back. We never played this one time, always twice minimum, sometimes more. I've said it before, I'll say it again. If you follow this channel, no one's got their thumb on the Bitcoin market like I do. No one does. And sometimes I've made some pretty long projections. Made 2 weeks in advance when we were up here, right on point. The Chinese squeeze, on point. The leaf saying we were going to get high, we got high. The toilet, the poop, the diarrhea, the specific poop. The original, the double scrotum.
It'd be 3 in the morning and the strait's still open. Never fall asleep or you'll wake up flopping groping. Your spirit shall be broken as they snatching up your tokens. The only way you're coping's with the weed you've been smoking. We're scalping like Indians, leveraging these millions. Trading in the dark so we looking like aliens. You know that I'll be gambling till I'm damn Blazarian. And the balls get hairier as the trades get scarier. And we do the Miley Coco when these ETFs approve. We'll be skirting on them popos. And all these little minnows, 50x, and that's a no-no. Leverage like a fool, pretty soon you'll be a hobo. I got plenty of volume in my shorts. And when we hit that coke line, I got plenty of volume in my snorts. And if I ever go broke, I'll be flopping and groping in the Discord like popcorn. We are all disciples of crypto face, trying to find our calling in this crypto space as we navigate daily through these crypto trades. Long live the ace of spades. We are all disciples of crypto face, trying to find our calling in this crypto space as we navigate daily through these crypto trades. Long live the ace of spades.
Yeah, we'll do the door's gonna open. We'll do the door's gonna open. Because you know what?
You do have a relationship with this man. You've said it many times. We've seen it demonstrated for whatever reason. Are you going to take an opportunity, if you get it, to speak up for the family of Kenneth Bay and to say, let us know why this man is being held, that this is wrong, that he is sick? If you can help, Dennis, will you take the opportunity?
Well, it says, the one thing about politics, Kenneth Bay did one thing. If you understand, I got it. If you understand what Kenneth Bay did, do you understand what he did?
What did he do? You tell me.
Country.
You tell me. What did he do?
No. You tell me. You tell me. Why is he held captive?
They haven't released any charges. They haven't released. They haven't released any reason.
Let me do this. I would love to speak on this.
Go ahead.
You know, you got 10 guys here. 10 guys here that have left their families, left their damn families to help this country as a sports venture. Got 10 guys, all these guys here. Do anyone understand that?
We do, and we appreciate that, and we wish them well with cultural exchange.
No. I'm just saying, no, I don't give a I'm gonna ask what the hell you think. I'm saying to you, look at these guys here. Look at them.
Yeah, but Dennis, don't put it on them. Don't use them as an excuse for the behavior that you're putting on yourself.
They came here.
You just basically were saying that Kenneth Bay did something wrong. We don't even know what the charges are. Don't use these guys as a shield for you, Dennis.
Listen.
Ain't no shield. I got it. Let me do this. Really, I'm gonna tell you one thing. People around the world, I'm gonna do one thing. You guy behind the mic right now, we are the guys here doing one thing. We have to go back to
America and take the abuse. Do you, sir?
You have to take the abuse.
But we gonna take. Do you, sir? Let me know. Are you gonna take the abuse? We gonna get it. But guess what, though? One day. This door's gonna open. Oh, there's something I haven't showed you guys. Oh my gosh. Hang on. Yes. Oh, I haven't showed this yet. Oh my God, I totally forgot about this. Yes. Oh, my neighbor's gonna hear.
Well, you know what? I've talked to those guys the last 5 years.
Which guys?
And I talked to Kim Jong-un and an administration over there 5 years ago. And he asked me 5 years ago, we sat down for lunch. And he sat down and asked me, hey, Dennis, I would like to ask you three things. If you go back to tell the President of the United States these three things. And I would be willing to talk to him. And it's a true story. And I got my people here that was there that heard the conversation. He said things like, if they can move the ships back from South Korea, I would do what I have to do to listen. If you can move certain things or do certain things, I will listen. My ears will be open. And I tried to do that to Obama. And Obama didn't even give me the time of day. I asked him, I said, I have something to say from North Korea. He just brushed me off. But that didn't deter me. I still kept going back. I kept going back. I showed my loyalty and my trustworthy to this country. And I said to everybody, I said, the door will open.
I remember you saying it. Let me ask you something. Does Kim understand English, Dennis?
It's amazing. It's amazing. When I said those things, when I said those damn things.
Fuck, I'm gonna cry.
When I went back home, I got so many death threats. I was sitting there protecting everything. And I believed in North Korea. And when I went home, I couldn't even go home. I had to hide out for 30 days. I couldn't even go home. But I kept my head up high, brother. I knew things were going to change. I knew it. I was the only one. I never had no one to hear me. I didn't know one had to see me. But I took those bullets. I took all that. I took everything. Everyone came at me. And I'm still standing. And today is a great day for everybody. Singapore, Tokyo, China, everything. It's a great day.
It is a great day.
Here to
this
see
is a
it.
historic day.
I'm so happy.
Listen, folks. I've been there. We've been there. Been pummeled. I've been pummeled hard. Just as we all have in different fashions of our life. No one is to say that they've gone through something more than anyone else. No one is to say. But we're here to, I'm telling you, it's about being together, god damn it. And when you're listening to these shit fucking YouTubers, these other shitters talking about $100 a day and up and down. Really, we've been trying to get Dennis Rodman on this channel. I haven't had any luck yet, but there is one route I haven't taken yet, and I think that might be the route to get it. So I'm really working on getting an interview with Dennis Rodman because he's a Potcoin guy. He had a Potcoin shirt. We might as well play this too. Whatever. We might as well play. This was our very first music video. It's our first song. This was our first music video.
CryptoFace, crypto.com. Come. You ain't gotta see my face to see results. And I ain't just talking, man, I also walk the walk. I'm the Bitcoin captain, so you know I know what's happening. I've been Bitcoin trapping, so you know the money's stacking. You ain't gotta see my face to see results. And I ain't just talking, man, I also walk the walk. I can show you live action, so you know I know what's happening. I've been Bitcoin trapping, so you know the money's stacking. You probably wanna know why I got this mask on my face. Look at my channel grow, cause they know I mean what I say. Knew I was bound to blow. Ace of Spades, check the logo. Bank account, large amount, nicknamed it Sumo. CryptoFace, Bitcoin guru. Came a long way from eating ramen noodles. Now I want it all, yeah, the whole kick a poodle. Keep a couple lawyers just in case I had to sue you. Mask on my face just in case I had to do you. Better come and piece it, don't make me have to release. Raking in Bitcoins like it was a leaves. If you follow me, then you know we gon' eat crypto. I might go call me a foreign car. Paint the bitch Bitcoin gold. Go to the club and buy out the bar. Everything. Who am I? Nobody knows. I'm Casper, Ghost, and a ghost. That's the way that I like it. No need to get excited. When you pull up, your Diddy gon' write it. You ain't gotta see my face to see results. And I ain't just talking, man, I also walk the walk. I'm the Bitcoin captain, so you know I know what's happening. I've been Bitcoin trapping, so you know the money's stacking. You ain't gotta see my face to see results. And I ain't just talking, man, I also walk the walk. I can show you live action, so you know I know what's happening. I've been Bitcoin trapping, so you know the money's stacking. CryptoFace, crypto.com.
Anywho, so we have a good time here, man. You know, I do love doing giveaways, but after the giveaways, I'm shot. You know, like it's the energy changes after. I end up getting mad afterwards because I end up getting mad after. So I don't know, giveaway, maybe. I don't know yet. Maybe when I'm done streaming. Oh wow, look at this way. I bounced back. Alright, let's take a look here. Ooh, wow. 2 minute. Look, listen. The 2 minute. Look at this. Okay, if you're new here, one of the main things we say about trading Bitcoin, what Bitcoin does more than any. Am I on mute? Let me make sure. Okay, good. One of the things that Bitcoin does more than any other asset is that every 2 to 4 weeks, it will choose a pattern or patterns, and it repeats those patterns on multiple different time frames. Here is a prime example. Where are we at right now? 8.8. Yeah, we're good. I don't need to sprinkle anymore. We got 8.8 million on the board. We're good. Gene, please. I mean, where'd you meet him? What do you mean you met him? I want it so bad. I would pay for it. I would pay to have. I'd pay him to have. I'd pay Dennis and his team. Nope. Never heard from Charles Payne. Fuck him. You know what? His book sucked too. I lied and act like his book was good. It was fucking terrible. So don't waste your time reading his book, please. No, Emily, just one. Just one. I don't got time for that. Just one. It changes all the time, Crypto Squall. It's something, it's different every time. Oh, okay, Gene. Well, that's pretty cool. Do you have a Discord, Gene? And you still have his number? And there will be a finder's fee. If you are the one that would be the beginning to get it, to make it to, even if you get me in touch, and for some reason they tell me no, I will still give you finder's fee. Can you email me your Discord, please? In fact, here's what I want you to do, Gene. Copy and paste your Discord username in the YouTube live chat, but after that, type 2 curse words so it blocks it so people can't see it. So copy and paste your Discord username and then put like shit, fuck, pussy. That way no one else can see it, but I can. Hang on, they can't hear you yet. Hang on. Now they should be able to.
Yo, what up, stream?
Okay, so Gene, you don't have Discord. Okay, Gene, email me how I contact you. At, here, I'm gonna put in that email, shittokens@gmail.com.
Dude, turn me up like 10%. I'm a little quiet, I feel like.
Okay. Say something.
Testing. Pussy fuck shit. Dude, when you said that, I was like, oh my god, this man's a genius.
Mm-hmm. Sam, I mean, I've been talking about stuff the whole time. That's what I've been talking about, bro. There's videos on it and tutorials, man. That's what I do on this channel. I'm showing the charts and everything. I'm always talking about what I'm doing, man. I don't have the energy to go through like a market cipher basic strategy tutorial right now, bro. I'm sorry. But lucky for you, you can go to marketciphertrading.com, my friend. But you don't have to buy anything before you watch the videos, and then you don't have to buy to see the tutorials. Even the, yeah. So just go to the website, buddy. Welcome to the channel. Hungry. What do I want to eat?
There's people in the chat asking like what kinds of patterns repeat.
It makes
There's
its
one
own
happening right now.
kinds.
You see this broadening formation? You see, look up on Google, broadening formation, a broadening trumpet formation. That's like what Bitcoin's been doing last few months.
So what I was talking about was literally actually this on Market Cipher B, like just these momentum waves, not even the actual candlestick patterns. But no matter what type of indicator, Bitcoin, it repeats it, right? And so when we go to the 30 or the hourly, I mean, it's the same damn thing. Same thing.
It's been trumpeting, you know, like higher highs, lower lows, shaking people out because we're in this election year phase of volatility and price discovery, you know?
Yeah, so sometimes it's patterns that are normal, like it could be the head and shoulders type pattern. And then sometimes it'll be like its own weird ass whatever, and it just is the same thing. And if this is a bullish, if it does this stupid pattern then goes up, it'll keep doing it and doing it and doing it and doing it and doing it on all time frames. Yeah, one of them my brother was talking about was the Chinese trumpet, where it was like this, it made a little Chinese trumpet, and there's been bearish Chinese trumpets.
This is new age TA here, folks.
Yeah.
The rusty trombone. That's
Look, okay, look at this. Look. Bang, bang. Tight, tight momentums. And what were we on the 2 minute? Look. Bang, bang. Boom, boom. 2 totally different time frames.
He just circled the double scrotum. Actually, the double scrotum is a Bollinger Band pattern, so that's why we haven't really been talking much about the double scrotum formation.
But overall, it still works though. Even if it's a Bollinger Band or a shitter band, or it's still just like how Head and Shoulders play out on the momentum waves. When there's a Head and Shoulders, a proper Head and Shoulders on the momentum waves, these blue waves, it plays out. Pattern's a pattern. Doesn't matter what indicator.
I mean, like a trigger wave, an anchor and a trigger is like a lopsided. You know, it's kind of like a lopsided double scrotum.
Yeah, whatever.
Who cares what it's called? As long as you can recognize the patterns.
What am I going to eat?
Yeah, I'd say probably the 2 most common patterns, probably just just the broadening trumpet pattern, and then probably just Head and Shoulders. Anytime something's bottoming out, you get that left shoulder, and then the head, and then that right shoulder. It creates that higher low, and that's kind of your indication things go up once it passes that neckline.
Yeah, let's see what kind of food I have in the fridge. I'll be right back.
I just answered your question. Always be positive. Broadening patterns in Head and Shoulders. But the patterns are just one piece of the puzzle, bro. You needed like an oscillator. You need to know when things are overbought or oversold, man. For instance, with head and shoulders pattern, on the left shoulder, you'll have a very deep negative momentum wave, like an oversold wave, and then the head will form, and you would think that the momentum wave for the head would be even deeper, but a lot of the times it's not, and that's what's called a bullish divergence, and that's a clue that a right shoulder might form. Then you see the right shoulder form, and then it's up at the neckline, and then you can long that pattern. But you see how like the oscillators were there kind of telling you and enforcing you that the pattern was gonna confirm. Someone said patterns are lagging. They kind of have a point, you know, once the pattern is formed, you know, the move happens quick. So you kind of want to know the pattern's about to form before it actually forms. So oscillators help me. No flopping and groping. I would draw it out, man, but I don't have control of his screen. Sorry. I'm CryptoFace's brother. I'm not in like the same office as him. An oscillator is just an algorithm that takes the price data, which is the candlesticks that you see on a price chart, and it just puts it into an algorithm and has it swiveling around a zero line. There's so many different types of oscillators that's the definition of an oscillator. It's a pretty broad definition, but all oscillators are different. Market Cipher has like 5 oscillators just in that one Market Cipher B package. Thoughts on CME gaps? CME gaps tend to fill. Yeah, I always look at the CME chart. Sometimes gaps, you know, it comes down and it bounces off the top of the gap. Sometimes it fills the gap, but yeah, like the gaps tend to create some sort of result. I can't remember what that chart's called. I think it's BTC1 exclamation mark is the name of the CME chart on TradingView. You guys should all have that. Oh, there's a super chat. Oh, Santos, man. Thanks for the donation for the family. Thank you. That just goes toward the scholarship donation fund.
I got my snake. Dude, I just had the perfect amount of homemade chicken curry and white rice. Oh, it was the perfect amount that was left. Not too much, not too low.
FG, do you ever use Market Cipher SR? Yeah, man, I trade on the hourly chart and below with Market Cipher SR. CryptoFace just uses the waves, like he's just momentum trading with Market Cipher B oscillators, but a lot of people in our community use SR and they live and die by it, and it's a great day trading indicator, mostly because it utilizes VWAP, which is one of the most reliable day trading indicators out there.
Come on, baby. I'm telling you. The bulls are in town, folks. Every little tiny little sell-off where all the flop and grovers talk about somehow it's going to be the magic dump. It ain't. And it just keeps going up. These are the good times.
The indicators are not Whale Crew specific. They're separate from Whale Crew. Whale Crew's closed. No new members right now, but you can check out all the indicator tutorials and even purchase the indicators using the link in the description. Steven Reyes says it's not working with the hike and the sheet candles. You don't see the gaps on the CME to make a candle. It takes the average of 2. Yeah, you don't want to use hike and the sheet when you're looking at the gap chart, because hike and the sheet by definition starts every candle at the midpoint of the previous candle, no matter what the actual price is, because it's creating an illusion or like a reinterpretation of the data to help you stay in trades longer. It's like a swing trading indicator. That's what hike and Nishi is. So, yeah, don't look at gaps. Don't look at daily pivot highs or lows with hike and Nishi. Because the raw data is getting manipulated. You see what I mean?
Myself and a mentor / partner created Market Cipher, but everything we knew for 2-3 years. Every indicator we created and customized and everything in one place. That's what Market Cipher is. Everything I used and created in one place. So I didn't have to admit it because I didn't want to go through 100 different screens every time trying to learn. I said, God, I just want all my shit in one place.
Yeah. How do you read the stochastics RSI, bro? Do you have Market Cipher? Because how I read the stochastic RSI is when it crosses the regular RSI, that's like a bullish cross. So I look at the cross of the stochastics over the regular RSI. But if you don't have Market Cipher, then you have to have all your oscillators separate, and you can't like compare them on top of each other, so it's not as strong.
Oh man,
you're flopping, Louis? Don't be flopping, man. No flopping allowed. That means you're too deep, man.
Yeah, what are you flopping for, bro? We ain't.
I'm throwing you a life preserver, dude. Don't be flopping in here.
Yeah, we ain't trying to hear that shit.
You gotta, every day is a new trading opportunity, man. You gotta be risking 1%.
Yeah, don't be fucking off everything while everyone else is having a great time.
What if this goes to 0 like oil? I'm not saying
Like
it's
a
gonna,
bit
but like,
fuck.
what if this
Yeah.
goes to 0? Are you
Negative
screwed?
$43. Bit fuck.
Oh, I'm screwed.
You can pay my brother does consultations, but you gotta pay, bro. You gotta pay. Someone told me word on the street was Daniel Pena was bullish. He said he was bullish on Bitcoin recently. I tried looking it up, I couldn't find it. Yeah, he's probably full of shit. Yeah, search Bitcoin Dan Pena on Twitter. He's bullish. Someone do that.
I'm liking this higher low forming on the 1 minute chart. I'm liking this like broadening formation here.
Ooh, wow, look at this tight. Yeah, that tightness on the momentum wave on the 1 minute. It's just been like it's been doing on every time frame. Just dude, there is just so much buy pressure, man. And eventually just the sells, there's just no one else selling at that price, and so it goes up. When the price go when there's runs out of sellers, people selling at that price, it goes up. Boy, did we nail that gold call or what, dude? I've been... Whew. About a week ago, we called for gold longs down here and right here. Bang, bang, swing, swing. So, okay. Market Cipher on standard markets is taking candy from a baby. It was designed for Bitcoin. It had the Viagra effect and worked for every single, any type of asset, shitcoin, stock, option, Forex, currency, on anything we charted. And it's... I have hedge fund managers. The biggest one I know of is in charge of 200 million bucks. Trades 200 million, uses Market Cipher. Loves Market Cipher. And the prick got it for free too. Gave it to him for free. Just kidding, you're not a prick, buddy. I love you. You know there's love there. Kind of. Well, he's kind of a prick. Martin, I just told you, bro, you can pay my brother for a consultation. My brother does...
Just send an email to shittokens@gmail.com, man. We can schedule a one-on-one, but I charge 0.02 Bitcoin. We can go 2 hours, screen share. We can go over everything, like the risk management, the TA, the indicators. It's definitely better if you already have Market Cipher.
Oh, I hope that lady emailed me, us. She said she knows Dennis Rodman's manager. This isn't her, this isn't the guy.
Yeah, 0.02 for a consultation that could save you thousands and thousands. I mean, some of these people come into crypto and they lose $100,000. These stories I see are insane.
Oh, this is a terrific request. Oh my gosh. This might be what I need. Dude, thanks for the link. This guy sent me this. Okay. How does it? Fuck yeah. Okay. Let me bookmark this. Dude, thank you for sending this to me. Thank you.
Hey, Mike, it's your old friend, D-Rob from Chicago. What's going on, brother?
Oh, he does
Mike,
little cameos.
man, I heard it's your 70th birthday. 70 birthday. What's up with that? I heard you looking good. Guess what? You're 5'5".
Damn, this
hey,
cool as hell.
You the man, right? I'm only 59. I'll be 60 next year. You got me beat, brother. But you know what, man? It's been a long time, man, since time to talk to you. You was doing this for you. You know what? It's amazing. We used to party in Vegas. Remember that? Back in the old days?
He said we used to party in Vegas. Motherfucker, that's hilarious.
You know that, right?
That's fucking hilarious.
It's amazing, man. You know what? I heard that you love playing basketball. I heard you love Chicago Bulls. But either way, brother, this is booked by your good friend, your wife, daughter, sister. It doesn't matter, brother. Amy.
All right.
Yeah, ETH is popping off. ETH has a little bit of juice.
Hell yeah. I can't wait to send him some money.
There's a good like $15 window on ETH where it just seems like, you know, it's kind of guaranteed. You know, after that maybe it might be a little iffy, but
I gotta pee. I'll be right back.
this is definitely like a bullish pattern we're seeing here. You saw kind of like a trumpet, like a shakeout.
Damn, 644 ETH? Oh shit. Ripple, 58 cents. It's about fucking time it starts moving. God, it's about damn time. Fuck. I have to go pee. What's going on here? 30. Well, it's a good thing I had another, you know, almost, you know, 1.8. Add it to that trade. Yippee-yay.
Best time frame for a bullish trumpet, you ask? Probably the scalp time frames.
It's yeah,
but it's all over the place, man. You see them on like the big time frames too.
There's no such thing as a best time frame. We got to get that out of your head, man. People when people ask about what's the best time frame, what's the best? There's no such thing, man. All of them. Why you're limiting yourself? Why would you limit yourself? Oh, I don't care about ETH. I'm not in an ETH trade, so I don't care.
Yes, we got the email. I see the email, John. Just give me.
No, there's two people sent this email. Okay, there's Jean. Okay, so she just. Okay, so she sent this.
I'll respond to all you guys.
Yes, Gene, we got your email.
Gene, sorry if I got your name wrong.
No, this is my Bitcoin, Jim. I do not trade other people's money. That takes all the fun out of it. It's mine. So I even put that in the Guinness Book of World Records thing. I was like, it's all my money I'm trading. I'm not trading live stream for a fund. It's mine.
Crypto Kev in ETH since 633. Awesome, man.
Nice.
Was it a trigger wave or green money flow or what got you in, man?
Good question, brethren. Good question. Way to take over on that one. Yeah, what time frame got you in on that one? I'm guessing it was the 2 minute. 2 minute again, just like Bitcoin, same thing. Snake eyes, tight momentum waves, looks terrific. That's my guess.
Who's the better trader? I'm gonna be honest with you, man. CryptoFace is a much better trader than me. I got technical knowledge, but I got a lot of other busy work behind the scenes, and he has that he can take the volatility and the chaos, man. I'm more of like an orderly fellow. He's kind of crazy.
I'll be right back, brethren. Thank you for the kind words. Be right back.
Yeah, dude, he totally is like the balls, and I'm like the brains. You know, that is kind of what it's like, but it's not that cut and dry. You know, we help each other out, but. All right, man. Don't be posting gay shit in the chat. Positive vibes only, guys. FG, do you like any alts for long term? Yeah, man, I'm holding a lot of ETH, especially after the ETH BTC chart printed a large bullish divergence like a few weeks ago. But I'm not really much of a shitcoin enthusiast. You don't really want to ask me about shitcoins. I mostly just trade Bitcoin, ETH, and Ripple. ETH and Ripple are like shitcoins to me, so. But there is a lot of money in shitcoins. You just have to take your profit. One time when I was new to trading, I went hard in Verge, and like the indication that I entered on was crystal clear, and I was up like 15x, and I didn't take profit, and then look at Verge now, you know what I mean? It was only a matter of time before it just blew up and went to crap. Yeah, if you're trading shitcoins, please, dear Lord, take profit. Like, the second you see that profit. Will Verge ever come back? Dude, I'm sure the price of Verge just 3x because I just mentioned Verge for the first time in like 3 years. So I don't think it's coming back, man.
Like, what could the Verge guys be? The Verge team is like eating nachos.
They're on the
watching
verge of
fucking
collapse,
Beavis
is
and
what they are.
Butthead. Talk about shit token. They're fucking eating nachos watching King of
When
the
I
Hill.
think of shitcoins, I think Verge, dude. I think XVG.
Yeah, Verge, Digibyte.
Can you do it?
Can you do it, Digitex? Can you do it?
Dogecoin, man. Dogecoin's a good shitcoin. It's got that meme value, you know? Verge is a Doge fork. I don't even know, but that just sounds goofy, like a Doge fork. That just sounds stupid if you don't know anything about crypto. I do, philosophically, I support privacy coins like Monero. Philosophically, I support them. I don't have much money in them, though. What do I think about Chainlink? The daily chart looks pretty good. The momentum waves on our end are like on the way up. You've got a rising RSI. You've got our VWAP oscillator on Market Cipher B is like above 0. So the last printed candle had a nice bottom wick, you know, indicating strong support. Do I look at the seconds chart for BTC? Yeah, man, the seconds chart is awesome. I like the 15-second chart. That's my personal favorite. It's super visceral. Like you can actually learn a lot. If you're still learning and you have TradingView Pro, you might just want to go into like the 15-second chart and just kind of watch things unfold and see how the patterns unfold in real time.
When I was in Bali, it was one of my supporters who brought it to my vision that Market Cipher, if you're trying to show someone or learn Market Cipher, look at the seconds because it plays out. Like when it's deep in the red, then you see a momentum wave, it's going to go up, right? And so it goes up. And so like you learn what you want to look for in higher time frames on the seconds, and it's the real deal. It's crazy.
Mr. Dominican Real Estate asks, why don't you sell and rebuy at the dips? That's a good
That's what
question,
I've been
man.
doing.
That's valid. That's valid. That's what we've kind of been doing.
Look at
but
this head and shoulders. Look, what are we talking about? Head and shoulders play out. Perfect head and shoulders. Boop. Price went up. Perfect head and shoulders. Price goes up. Another one. Boop. Boop. Shit like that. I didn't mean to cut you off, but I mean, we've been shit. That's what. Oh, damn it. The profit reset. No, now it's gone. Oh.
You don't want to sell a good entry, man, because if you get rid of your entry, then now you're like hoping that it doesn't slip underneath. The moment it slips underneath your entry, it could get real ugly. You do not want trades going underneath your entry. So if you have a good entry, you want to keep it, right?
What I was saying was I already shaved 200 grand in profit already, but it the daily reset, so now it doesn't show it anymore.
Plus, we're hyper trending. If we were in a more sideways market, brother, the swing trades would make a lot more sense.
So much sense, it turns into dollars.
Yeah, it's definitely important to shave profits. I wouldn't be too quick to get rid of a good, nice, strong entry at a nice dip, though, you know? Because that's peace of mind. You bring up a good point, Dominican, but you sacrifice your peace of mind.
Speaking of peace of mind, let's see here. What am I thinking? Honestly, now that 200K realized has disappeared and it shows 0 now, let me see if no, it's just getting started. Let's go.
Sleep's really important, man. I was up for a long amount of time. I just got like 12 hours or whatever, and I feel like 100% like ready to go. I'd definitely get some sleep, man.
Oh yeah, you really appreciate the way your bed feels when you do this shit. When you lay in bed and it's been like 2 days, you're like, oh man.
Yeah, don't do that to yourself. You do that because you feel like you're going to miss an opportunity, you know? But every day there's an opportunity. You got sleep last night and missed the 1K all-time high. Yes, maybe there's some nights where you should be pulling an all-nighter just to get stuff done. But I don't know, man. Sleep is so important. You're just not making the right decisions when you don't have rest.
What is this song? What is his song called with the open trade line? They all have like opening lines in the beginning.
When you're trading on no sleep, you're trading on borrowed time, and you're pressured to like make shit happen. You know, I don't like that.
Did I give him shit for it, Nicholas? Nicholas in chat said, remember when you did a video with Crow and he didn't have the second intervals on TradingView? Did I say something about it to him? Like, you cheap fuck, why don't you actually pay them the $10 a month? Gary, is that you, Gary? The Gary?
What's the best time frame for head and shoulders? Any time frame, man. That's a universal pattern. It's one of the most common trading chart patterns in existence. You'll see it everywhere.
Prediction with COVID in the state. Well, it doesn't matter. We just got to worry about our own lives and our own family. We don't waste our time and energy thinking about random shit that doesn't matter.
Small business is dead. Big business is booming. So stock
Internet
market
businesses
is
are
crazy.
thriving. Internet business is the only hope. That's why I've been I'm telling you, we're ahead of the game. Screw brick and mortar. Our families, our dad, we've seen that. We've seen that rent, paying overpriced rent and brick and mortar and going through COVID shit. If you want to be a successful business person, you gotta do it online. If you're gonna open up a brick and mortar, the only reason you open up a brick and mortar business is if it's because it's something you want to do, not that you have to profit from it. So if I open up a flower shop, it's because I want to open up a flower shop. I don't need the profits from it. You open a restaurant? No, because you need to live off. You don't need to live off that restaurant.
It's sad, man. We don't like saying that. You know, that's terrible. But the truth of the matter is, if you have a small restaurant, you're getting shut down and the Costco across the street is allowed to stay open, you know? That's the tyranny of government.
ExpressVPN has been the best one I've ever used.
Yeah, because the moment you go online, you're global, right? You're global. So if you have a mom and pop or a brick and mortar, you're local. It's just not the economy we're in anymore, and it's sad. It's a sad time. We're not giving any thoughts on election Trump stuff. That's not what this channel's for. But I'll give my opinion on COVID stuff because that's like a market, you know, that's affecting the market. Stock market's going crazy. But elections do cause volatility. You see broadening formations, you know, like trumpet patterns during election years because it's price discovery, it's volatility, it's chaos.
If I'm going to open up a brick and mortar business, it's either going to be a flower shop, because I love flowers, a guns and ammo store, or a restaurant to have, you know, like my homie be a chef at and not for profit. Other than that, I'm online, plugged into the Matrix. Did you get buffs for the raid tonight, dude?
Yeah, we good.
Did you get them for me too?
No.
Oh. I should check on that. I have ZG Heart.
You know, even being like a landlord is kind of weird right now. I mean, it's great being a landlord.
They can't get evicted. You can't even collect rent. People are gonna just crash in your place, and then you're fucked.
Yeah. Plus, landowners historically are like a very looked down on group of people. You know, it's like, how dare you charge me rent? and give me a place to live. How dare you? But rising rent prices, you know, due to other market effects, doesn't help the situation. Because when people get hungry, they get desperate, you know? So it's not really the people's fault, but it's just a tight situation that landlords are in right now.
Yes, it is showing money flow. It is diverging to the downside, yes, on the 1 and 2 minute, but we don't want to get your panties in a whole bunch. It could be a big dump, or it could be just like this, where it's got to zig and zag. Remember, it can't just always go straight up, guys. It's got to breathe. How much, I don't know, but when you go to higher time frames, you see, I mean, we are thick as hell in the green.
If you are a landlord, I would recommend, you know, investing in those properties and, like, you know, being a good landlord. Because if you're a bad landlord, you might have something coming to you, you know. There's a lot of negative,
Thugs.
toxic sentiment.
What did I do to my screen?
Who's a bad landlord? There's plenty of bad landlords. Plenty of really crappy apartments you could live in with roaches and all. You know what I mean? Like, there's. What do you mean? What do you mean bad land? There's tons of.
Well, yeah, what do you mean? Who's a bad landlord? What do you mean? There's people that are like dick landlords that don't want to pay for fixes or whatever.
I got a friend in LA who has sewer water coming up from his kitchen sink. He had dishes in his sink. He wakes up and there's like crap in his sink. Jesus. It's disgusting.
Then there's really good landlords,
Flint, Michigan,
like
you know,
our
I mean,
father. In my ass. What kind of car is that outside? Oh, it's a truck. Huh. Uh-huh.
Your comment got blocked, Gary, but I agree.
Look at the 15-second look. We have a mama turtle and a baby turtle potentially forming there. So now we're looking at the 30-second to see if this also is going to peak to the upside and if this momentum is going to carry on. 5-second, nice curvature. Although, yes, overall divergence. Again, we've been diverging to the downside for the past 2 months, but have just been pumping our asses off. Again, it's got to zig and zag. It just zigged. It's got to breathe. Could breathe a little bit. Could be a lot. We don't know. But we know it's got to breathe. And the question is it going to breathe down to your entry? So what's my entry right now? Let's see. My average entry is 20,009. We're at 21.3, so I got $400 buffer. Let's mark it. What was my entry? 29. 19, 29, 19. That's 45. Sitting right on top here. It is the first yellow X of the bunch here on that time frame. Nice little anchors and triggers on the 5-second. So this is what I was talking about earlier. You can look at the 5-second to learn market cipher, so you don't have to like wait to try to see maybe what was in a video or something. You can go to the seconds and know that there's most likely gonna be waves you can learn from there. So market cipher theory is you have a nice curved wave, and when it is, so let's say when you're looking at about 3/4 in to 2/3, you want to have a trigger wave as well. That's where you'd be looking along for the best spot. Right here, I would take this with caution. Take it, and there should be a little move up here. Could just be, again, this is second, 21, 7. Yeah, about $50 move. We'll see. Well, we've been streaming all day, huh? We 2-part stream so far.
I know. I was up this morning with you really early, and I slept like 8 hours. Wake up, and you're still streaming.
Dude, I wanted to take a nap too. I like laid back in my chair and just like looked away from the screen for a little bit, but
You're gonna turn into an alien, dude.
dude, I couldn't. How am I gonna go to sleep with the $8 million trade, $5 million? I can't go to
Yeah.
sleep. I'm not gonna close it. So I'm just sitting here looking at it. You know what? Fuck it. I'm up almost $500,000.
We're okay. It's still it's not too late. We're good. We got a little bit of time. But yeah, with no stop loss like this, you do not want to be leaving trades open. You know, if you're gonna be going to sleep, unfortunately, you should probably put a stop loss on your trade. But best thing to do is to have a set duration, you know. Because if you walk away from this, this could go down and down and down, and the risk reward ends up not being worth it. You're not here to close it if it gets to your entry. If you're gonna
always
want to
use market. You never want to use anything else.
Yeah, we both saw the same question. Yeah, dude, market stop losses. Yeah, why not a limit stop loss? Because it might not fill. Limit orders don't always fill. A limit order is like you're asking someone to buy your order, whereas a market order is like you're taking someone else's order that they put on the books. So the market order fills instantly. Limit orders don't always fill. So if your stop loss is your last line of defense for your account, then you need to make sure that shit fills.
Never use a limit stop loss ever. And people do it because they're afraid. They like want a reason for failure. So they're like, oh, I used a limit, it didn't fill. Oh, Bybit, oh, BitMEX. And they try to point the blame. They know.
Yeah, the personal responsibility is huge. Like if you cry like manipulation or whatever every time you lose, like you're just not gonna learn, you know? Big part of trading is like actually learning to be humble and like knowing when you're making mistakes. because the market checks you. Like, the market doesn't care what your rent is or how many dollars you want to make today, or your wife or your kids or
Your
anything.
target.
It's the market is ruthless, you know, but it's actually fair and kind because it treats everyone the same, because it's just all of us agreeing on what the price. It's just all of us debating on what a stock is worth.
What we're willing to pay or sell. All right, it's I think it's I gotta get ready for the raid and shit. I gotta take a little break in between.
Chat, you guys have been super positive. A lot of new people too. It's good to have you guys. Would have been nice to have you guys back at 3K, but you know, you can still take advantage of these trigger waves, and there's still opportunity every day. It's a good space to be. So.
Yeah, good stream, and you know, hell, yeah, if we pump more, I'll probably be back on later, but no promises or guarantees. Later, guys. Good shit. No one gets it like we do, and it feels good, and you can feel good too. Bye.